You just found the 2020 Toyota Sienna. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This bold, smooth-riding Sienna delivers everything you want and need in a family vehicle. From its advanced safety features to its luxurious cabin to its powerful performance, this minivan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, backup camera, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. Treat yourself to a test drive in this smart and stunning Sienna. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff will tailor your experience to meet your unique needs.